Crystal Rogers' murder case returns to Warren County Court tomorrow with two co-defendants standing trial together, including the prime suspect, Brooks Houck. Alexis Matthews talked to legal experts about what to expect in the high-profile case.
Even after a jury found Steve Lawson guilty, securing the first conviction in this high-profile case, there are many lingering questions. So I talked to legal analysts about the upcoming joint trial with Rogers' ex-boyfriend, Brooks Houck, and Lawson's son, Joseph, to see if we'll possibly get more answers this time. The second trial in the 2015 disappearance of Crystal Rogers starts Tuesday when two more co-defendants will have their day in court. Joseph Lawson's conspiracy and tampering with evidence charges mirror that of his recently convicted father, Steve. But prosecutors' main target is Brooks Houck, Rogers' ex-boyfriend, charged with her murder. This decade-old case is complex, but will the joint trial be? Legal experts say it'll help for everything presented in court to be clear to the jury.
They don't want to risk a retrial. That's the last thing that Miss Rogers' family needs is a retrial. They've waited, over 10 years at this point.
10 years, countless FBI searches, no body, only the recovery of Rogers' car. Steve Lawson testified at his own trial he and his son helped move it. But what are the chances Joseph and Brooks will take the stand in their own defense?
Every case is different, but I would say more often than not, it would not benefit a defendant to testify in a criminal case.
While proclaiming his innocence, many believe the prime suspect, Brooks Houck, holds the answers in Rogers' tragedy. His attorneys sat in on Lawson's trial, which criminal justice experts say is a common preparation strategy for the defense.
You're going to have the same detectives, the same police officers take the stand. What did they say? What can you go, is there any evidence that you can go back through and poke holes into that story?
Yet, legal analysts also expect the prosecution team to have a new approach this go-round, including new evidence and witnesses. But will this trial uncover burning questions in this Bardstown mystery? Like what actually happened to Rogers? Are other unsolved deaths linked to hers, including her father, Tommy Ballard, and Officer Jason Ellis, both shot and killed? And could more charges be brought against the Houck family, notably alleged co-conspirators, Nick Houck and Rosemary Houck, who were both named in court?
Whatever else they've dug up, whatever they might dig up, subsequently, there's no statute of limitations on felonies in Kentucky. So down the road, we'll just have to wait and see.
While Steve Lawson's attorneys are trying to get a new trial, I'll be in court for the start of this murder trial on June 24th, and that's expected to last 2 weeks. Back to you.